Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we're charting Ethereum on OKEx exchange. Due to the fact that we still have an ongoing competition on OKEx, it's still live. So yes, we are using their charts for the moment, or should I say I will use their charts for today. And we're back at Ethereum, right? I mean, Ethereum has been a tricky pair to trade for the last like 2-3 weeks, right? Basically, all the way that this downfall started, it was quite hectic. It really didn't guarantee us much of the pullbacks. Yes, we did manage to get a couple of trades in, but right now we're still hanging by just a thread, right? But before we go onwards, guys, I have to tell you, please do subscribe to our channel, right? Like the video, punch the notification bell button, right, to get the future videos that are being created daily, except on Sunday. But yeah, back to Ethereum, right? So yeah, Ethereum right now tested the very low of the possible area, right? The very low. And yes, I was waiting for this area last night quite closely, because if it went under this area, I would obviously start selling Ethereum, but I wouldn't start selling it right away. I would just wait for a couple of closes down below and then started selling it there. But luckily it held the very bottom of this area. It held it and it started bouncing again. And early bounces were not that strong. I mean, I was thinking, okay, this is still pretty dangerous. We could still start selling here, but then once we exactly came above this point, 346, and right now the daily is gonna close above this. So this is why I'm actually making part of this video as well. And now daily is closing above this. This is giving us a pretty bullish signal. And I'm not gonna say bullish kind of signal that it's gonna go towards high. We don't know that for sure, not yet. But it's giving us a good enough signal for me to do 2 possible trades at it. And now for now I will delete this green rectangle because we are going to do a small one. For these 2 trades we are going to zoom in a little bit, and the first trade is going to be located right here. That's the first trade right here, with the stop loss right beneath, long position. If it returns back here, I'm going to long it, and it's going to be about 4.5%, right? I'm going to use it about 4.7% actually in this case. And with the first profit target, let's see, the first profit target is going to be quite here. Yep, the first profit target is going to be located up here. So it is about 6.7% movement or 1.4 R. Pretty good ratio. Now this trade might not get filled, right? And this is not the main trade I was looking for here. The main trade actually is, wait, let me just do a second profit target as well. The second profit target in this case, now this is an interesting one. I will do the second profit target above this area. And this is gonna be play that is gonna be hedged towards our another play that I'm just about to show you. So yes, this would be the second profit target for a long, and the third profit target in this case we're gonna go jump right back at it, and it's a little bit under 430, which was the previous profit target that we aimed with our positioning right here when we were waiting if there's gonna be a breakout or not, right? And eventually it did fail, right? Okay, so this one is now 6R or 28% move on the entire chart, which is really good trade, especially for Ethereum, right? Now the second trade that we are going to do today is actually going to be, and interestingly, a little bit on a smaller time frame, because it's a little bit harder to see on the OKEx chart. It's going to be a short. Yes, that is very interesting. It's going to be a short, and it's going to be right around this area. Now for the fact, you might ask me right now, why did you stretch the second profit target all the way up here if you're taking a short here? Because what I'm trying to do this is going to be a hedge trade against my short trade. Because we are in such a turnaround right now that we don't know if Ethereum is going to go break up all the way to 430 and then go down, or all the way to 430 and then go up. We can actually go all the way to up here to 370 and fail and go back down. Right, and in this case we would fill one profit target, get stopped even here, and then our short would take profit target around here and then lead us all the way back down. So no matter which side goes, yes, we do get then stopped on short, but we're gonna win massively on long. And if we get stopped on long, we still took one profit target, and short is actually going to win massively for us. So you can see the sort of a plan I'm playing here, right? And it's called, in crypto, it's basically called hedging. Yes, so the short is going to start from around 370. It's going to start from 370. It's going to go all the way up to 375. Yep. And the stop loss in this case is going to be located in 380 on the OKEX chart, it's going to be located 38360. So the first profit target is going to be located at the exact same spot where the first profit target for the long is going to be located, and the second profit target in this case is going to be located right under the low where our current stop loss is, because that would make sense, right? If that one is triggered, that is going to be about 14%, or should I say we can wrap it out to around 15% on 4.8R on the entire chart. And the last profit target in this case, and I'm going to be aiming quite low, it's going to be 270 and something, 270.20 we can say, and that brings us all the way to 27% and 36 and about 8.9R. So you can see these are the two plays I'm planning to play on Ethereum. Definitely going to take short in any case. The long might not get filled, we might get filled straight on short, and of course the plan falls into water, but I would still take short at least for a scalp, because I do think there's going to be a little rejection from this area, and then if not, you know, Ethereum just keeps on mooning and we are all happy, because then we obviously win on our other longs, right, that we have currently on. So, you know, just take this as a little bit of a hedge. It's smart play to do in the current stance, and especially if you got any longs open on your alt, it's definitely smart to take short as well. You know, it's not the safest short, but it's definitely smart in this kind of sense, right? So yes, guys, again, I would like to tell you to subscribe to our channel, right? Follow us on YouTube, and also follow us on 4C channel, right? On Telegram 4C channel, where we discuss this kind of trades. We adjust stop losses, we adjust profit targets, we, you know, do analysis on Bitcoin or Ethereum daily. And yeah, I guess we will be seeing each other in the new one.